Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Sailor's Point Navigate the Ship of Your Life. Myself Ram Ratan, I work at Merchant Navy. Currently I am sailing as a third mate. So in today's video we will be discussing about some common myths regarding Merchant Navy. People used to have lots of wrong perception regarding this profession, like ये government sector है या private sector है. Sailors used to drink a lot. इसमें 6 महीना जमीन पे रहना पड़ता है, 6 महीना पानी में रहना पड़ता है. So like these things, people used to have lots of wrong perception. So in today's video I will try my best to give you a brief idea about what exactly merchant navy is. So let's get started. So let's first start with the job thing. So merchant navy है क्या? Like merchant ship in simple terms, if I say, एक मालवाहक जहाज होता है जो कि एक जगह से सामान कैरी करता है एंड सेफली उसे दूसरी जगह तक पहुंचाता है. So as being a navigating officer, that's my job is to load a cargo from port A and safely reaches to port B and discharges there. So that's the basic funda about the merchant navy, कि एक जगह से सामान लोड करो एंड दूसरे जगह तक उसे सेफली पहुंचा दो. नाउ इट कम्स, ये गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर है या प्राइवेट सेक्टर है. सो इट्स टोटली प्राइवेट. लाइक प्राइवेट कंपनीज हैं जिनके पास की 100 200 500 जहाज होती हैं जो कि एक जगह से सामान कैरी करके दूसरे जगह तक सामान पहुंचाती है, जिसके बदले में उन्हें फ्रेट मिलता है या यू कैन से कि इसके बदले में उन्हें पैसे मिलते हैं जिससे वो हमारी सैलरी पे करती हैं. सो दैट्स द बेसिक फंडा कि मर्चेंट नेवी है क्या. नाउ इट कम्स टू sailors used to drink a lot. People have perception. So that's not true. Nowadays, scenario has been completely changed. Companies are following zero alcohol policy. They are zero tolerant to alcohol. Like if your company is following zero alcohol policy and you are going some port, uh, authority has to come on board, and if they will check and if they will find a single bottle of beer or alcohol, any kind of alcohol, like you have to pay lakhs of rupees as a fine. So nowadays no one drinks on board, because if you are drinking and you have to perform your job as well, right? So it's $1 million responsibility on your shoulders. You are running this ship of $1 million and which is having cargo of like, it's a big responsibility on sailors shoulder. So it's not that easy. That so nowadays no one drinks on board. It's not that sailors drink a lot. So nowadays this scenario has been completely changed. So now it comes to कि sailors को पैसा कितना मिलता है. So it's not that कि आज किसी ने ज्वाइन किया है and will start earning like 5 लाख 6 लाख रुपया महीने का आ रहा है. So that's not true. Like you have to follow a long journey to reach that place. But as of now, I will tell you one thing, that if you join merchant navy, then at a age of like 24 25 you will start getting your salary in lakhs. Like at a very younger age you will become financially very strong. So अब हम बात करते हैं कि सेलर्स को कितने महीने पानी में और कितने महीने ज़मीन पे रहना पड़ता है. आज के डेट में जैसे जैसे आपकी रैंक बढ़ती जाती है, योर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट विल बिकम शॉर्टर. लाइक कैप्टन के रैंक पे इन टुडेज सिनेरियो you will get a 3 months contract as well. So it's all up to you, like after completion of your contract, how many months vacation you want. As of now, for officers and crew it's different. Like for officers 4 to 6 months contracts are there, and for ratings and other crew it's like 7 plus minus 1. So after completion of your contract, it's totally up to you that how many months vacation you want. Like if I'm going for a 6 months contract. After completion of my contract, I want 3 months vacation. I can stay up to 3 months, and then if I want to join, I will tell my company that I'm ready for joining, and they will give me a ship to join. So it's not that कि 6 महीना आपको पानी में रहना है तो 6 महीना जमीन पे रहना ही रहना है, या फिर अगर ड्यूरिंग विद इन दिस 6 months also, if something has happened at your home with your family or friends, if it's necessary for you to come home, like there are ways like by which you can come home, like you can break the contract and you can come home also. सो इट्स नॉट कि अब चले गए पानी में तो 6 महीने बाद ही उतरेंगे, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है आज के सीन में। अगर आपके घर पे कुछ इमरजेंसी हो जाती है एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू कम होम यू कैन कम होम। सो वो सब पहले वाली बातें थी कि आप आ नहीं सकते एक बार चले गए। तो अगर आज के डेट में आपकी फैमिली को आपकी ज़रूरत है, कोई इमरजेंसी हो गई है, देन यू कैन कम होम। सो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। I hope after watching this video you guys will have a basic idea about what exactly Merchant Navy is. So if you guys like the video, please subscribe the channel, and if you want something else to know about Merchant Navy or how to join Merchant Navy, just drop a comment. Thank you for watching.